Hello students, today we discuss about the continuation of evolution, that is a brief account of evolution. In this, most of the concept already we studied. Once again they have given that based on geological period, what type of the origin of the different types of life forms, either plants as well as animals and all. In this one, how many million years ago the first cellular form present on the earth and all, that is 2000 million years. It is the first cellular life form present on the earth and all. So, related to a group of cellular forms, that means single cellular organisms, it converted, evoluted into the multicellular organisms related to evolution of the species and all. Then 500 million years ago, there is invertebrate organisms. Invertebrates are present, that means related to non-vertebrates without presence of that vertebral column and all, like Protozoa, Porifera, Selentrata, Platyhelminthes, Nemathelminthes, such type of up to Echinodermata and all. Such type of organisms, it originated in the 500 million years ago. Then 350 million years ago, there is jawless fishes are present and all. There is Astrocodermus. These particular jawless fishes, first it must be present on 350 million years ago. Then related to 320 million years ago. These 320 million years ago, that is seaweed plants. Then other development of plants also is present, but majority of seaweed plants is present and all. Among these one, what is the first life form present on the earth? If they ask such type of question, then your answer is they give different types of option. One among the option you choose, that is the plants. Instead of plants, they may give any one among the example and all. So, first living form present on the land, not on the water, land, related to plants only. Why? Because of that particular autotrophic related to photosynthesis, by releasing of oxygen, then only animals. Why? Because plants are autotrophic, animals are heterotrophs and all. Then 200 million years ago, they are present maximum amount of that dinosaurs related to reptiles and all. Especially dinosaurs, maximum it is present in the year 2000 million years ago and all. Then suddenly these dinosaurs are extincted. So how many million years back suddenly dinosaurs are extincted? What is the main reason to extinction of the dinosaurs and all? Then your answer, because of climatic conditions, or some of these organisms it modifies, it converted as this one, birds and all. Some of the scientists they may said like climatic conditions, some are it converted as this one, particular birds and all. That different areas are different, these particular characteristic features, they must be identified related to that particular reptilian organisms and all. Then 220 million that is mammals. Mammals are originated. Mammals are present in 220 million years ago and now. Then 65 million years that suddenly dinosaurs are extincted because of climatic condition or some of these converted as these particular birds and all. That is different types of the life forms which they have given according to NCERT and these people. Among these one, what is the largest dinosaur related to Tyrannosaurus rex? The largest one. The Tyrannosaurus, nearly 18 feet, it is present and are related. It is a completely flesh-eating organism. What is that is related to vegetarian? Among these one, the biggest of these particular dinosaurs organism and all, that is the Brachiosaurus. One among these one, it is also biggest one, but it ate regarding related to vegetarian food material. But Tyrannosaurus, it ate related to flesh-eating one. Apart from this one, it is also present different types of Sagittatosaurus. Then these different types, some of it converted like Archaeopteryx. One among these particular reptilian only, it modifies, it converted as this one related to that particular aspects and all. Modification of the birds and all. Then, apart from this one, where this first particular type of the mammal. So, what is the first mammal-like organism? It must identify and all. That is mammal-like organism. That is a shrew. It looks like a squirrel-like structure, arboreal. Squirrel-like structure, first mammal-like organism according to evolutionary, that is the shrew-like one. Related to later remaining organisms are evolved and all. Then aquatic mammals. What are the aquatic mammals or aquatic organisms, especially aquatic mammal? Aquatic organisms. That is dolphin as well as whale. That related to sea cow. So these are aquatic related to that water related that particular organisms which are after identified that respectable of shrews, then these are identified aquatic organisms related to that particular mammalian organisms. Then that later recently means in 20th century, one among the organism they identified in South African region. Already the scientists, they must be planned, already that organism already extincted, like that they must have thought and all. But that organism suddenly it appearance, that is 1928 in South Africa region. South African region, one fin-lobed fish they identified and all, that is coelacanth. Already scientists are, this organism already extincted, but suddenly it reappearance and all. So it is related to bridge. It is a connecting link. It is regarding related to connecting link between fishes as well as amphibians. Already we studied the connecting as well as missing links. That is also most important. Here also related to this it came. There is a lobed fin organism. Then it come to the terrestrial one. Then it evolved as this amphibian. The present modern frogs as well as salamanders, it originated from this coelacanth organism only. So Like that it must be formed under. Apart from this one, mammal like reptiles also it came under. That is Simurian, mammal like reptiles. Mammal like reptile, that means this Simurian, it is also connecting link that between related to reptile as well as mammals and all. Then after this one, some of these angiospermic, first it must be present as the algal one, then related to bryophytes, then related to tracheophyta. In that tracheophyta, first one that regarding related to pteridophytic one. Among the pteridophyte, which is the fossil one, ancestor of this among all these pteridophytic one, Xylophyta. In that Xylophyta one only, it originated remaining all tracheophytic organisms only. Tracheophyte. Then, what is the first colonized plants on the land? The first colonized plants on land. Then they give options: algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, angiosperms or gymnosperms. Any one among the option. What is the correct answer? That is the first colonized plants on land means your answer is bryophyte. Later it originated, but especially this fern related to pteridophyte, from which plants, that is ancestral plant, the origination of these lycopods and all related to fern plants originated, especially Zostaurophyllum from lycopods originated from Zostaurophyllum and all. These particular Zostaurophyllum, in that Zostaurophyllum lycopods in that sense, fern plants only. These fern plants, different period of time, it must evoluted and all. So normally algae which are present in that Cambrian period and all, regarding related to in that angiosperms as well as well developed in angiospermic plants, it must be present on the respectable of particular age period, that is related to Cenozoic era. It is well developed that particular plants and all. Then apart from this one, what is the common ancestor related to both the reptiles as well as mammals? That is just now I said that is related to Simurian. This is Simurian. Then amphibian, regarding related to that amphibian organism. Which amphibian organism evoluted as this particular reptile and one among the amphibian organism. This amphibian organisms also, that is the first land amphibian organism. From these amphibian organisms only, it evoluted as this one, the respectable of reptilia and all. That is also regarding related to particular period of time, according to environmental condition, it must be evolution process, it must be takes place and all. Then related to after Zostaurophyllum, then what I said just now, that is Sphenopsid, which are amphibian reptiles, Sphenopsid, that Lacerto amphibian reptiles, regarding related to Sphenopsid. So, which one we represent age of the mammals and all. Pliocene, that particular period we called as age of mammals and all. That is Pliocene, age of mammals. That means dominant over the respectable of reptiles and all. What is the age of reptiles and all? Related to Jurassic, age of reptiles. That means maximum, when you compare to the other organisms, these organisms only maximum in number. Here mammals only, whenever reduce the number of reptilian, then these mammals are dominated. Similarly, what is the specific period of time related to age of amphibians and Carboniferous? That is age of amphibians. Then age of that specific type of fishes and all. Devonian. Age of that fishes. In that respectable of period of time, maximum when you compare to the other organisms and all. That is Devonian period and all. Which particular period of time? The age of the invertebrates and the Ordovician period. What is the name of that period? Ordovician period. That is age of invertebrates, Ordovician period and all. Then related to this particular, the Cambrian period, age of the algae and all. Cambrian, age of algae related to plants and all. Then respectable of this age of modern man, as well as mammals, as well as birds, as well as insects, as well as herbaceous plants, which is we call as age of modern man and all. Age of modern man, as well as mammals, birds, insects, related to plants, herbaceous plants, that is Holocene. It is also related to Cenozoic era. Cenozoic is the modern one. Mesozoic in middle. Paleozoic era, the primitive one and all. These broadly it classified, it differentiated in these particular three parts and all. Then some of the organisms which migrate, which transfer, which shifted according to different climatic conditions. Most of the organisms present in North America, that particular climatic conditions and all. Then some of the organisms, because of climatic condition, natural condition, that is a continental drift, whenever segregation of the land, then some poached mammals are present related to Australian region. There is no specific competition in that particular area. That's why maximum number of organisms is present and all. Apart from this one, in this particular rest of the areas related to North American region only, some of the that particular horses also it originated in that particular North American region. Except Australia, remaining all region, it must be segregated, it must be migrated, it developed and all. That is also it takes place and all related to. For easy understanding purpose, some of these diagrammatically geographical or geological period. We represent geological periods, both plants as well as animals and related to geological period. A representation of geological periods in plants. In this, if you observe related to Cenozoic era, in this Quaternary period as well as Tertiary period related to Mesozoic era. In this Mesozoic era, Cretaceous, Jurassic, Triassic period, then Paleozoic. In that one, that Permian period. Apart from this Permian period, it is present Carboniferous. Then Devonian, then Silurian, then actually after Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian, Precambrian, that period also is present. But according to NCERT, they give up to Silurian periods only. Then from where related to plants, which particular plant, that is in the Cambrian period, related to that particular algae, that means Chlorophyta ancestors. Chlorophyta ancestors, it is present under, here you represent that Chlorophyta ancestors. From this, it originated Tracheophyte. Tracheophyta ancestors. Then Rhinia type of the plants. Then Xylophyta plants and all. Then related to Xylophytal plants under. In this specific plants and all, like Cenozoic era, that is Quaternary, Tertiary, Mesozoic era, Cretaceous, as well as Jurassic and Triassic, Paleozoic era, Permian, Carbonian, Carboniferous, Devonian and Silurian and all. In this particular Xylophyta, Rhinia as well as Xylophyta, these are the pteridophytic, ancestor of the pteridophytic plants and all. So, in between Chlorophyta, ancestor, Tracheophyta, it originated in tertiary period, that is Bryophyta plants in tertiary period and all. Related to between Tracheophyta as well as Rhinia, related to particular in Silurian period, Zostero-phyllum. From Zostero-phyllum, arborescent Lycopoda in this Jurassic period, Lycopoda, arborescent Lycopoda. From here, then in particular Cretaceous period and all, arborescent Lycopoda in Permian. In that Jurassic area, herbaceous Lycopoda. Both are the ferns only. Then from direct Xylophoda, it forms, that is related to Cretaceous period. Cretaceous period, it is present Sphenopsida. Sphenopsida, that means horsetail organism. It is also a type of the ferns and all. Horsetail ferns and all. Then some other related to in Jurassic period, related to direct ferns, it is present. Some more related to the Cretaceous period, like ginkgo. Ginkgo related to gymnosperms and all. Then some more related to Jurassic and all. It represents conifers. Both ginkgo as well as conifers comes under the same gymnospermic organisms only. Both are directly originated from xylophyte. That is important. The major role takes place where originated most of the plants related to xylophyta. In this, from here, related to a specific the Silurian period. In that Silurian period, that is pro-gymnosperms, the Devonian period, related to Devonian period, that is seed fell, it is present and all. From seed fell, it forms that is related to cycads, cycas plants. Apart from this one, in that Cretaceous period, dicot plants, in that quaternary angiosperms, in that tertiary, that is monocots and all. In the tertiary, monocots it is present and all. Then apart from this one, in the conifers, one more type of plants also it is originated. In between this one, that netum plants also is present. Ginkgo, netum, conifers directly originated. From seed fell, cycads and dicot. One among these, in dicot means there is angiospermic one as well as monocot. So like this, these originated because of very simple one, but little bit too carefully you must observe and which particular period, from where that origin of that different types of that particular plants and all. Then similarly related to animals and all, geological period of animals related to geological period. The representation of geological periods related to animals in Cenozoic, that quaternary, tertiary, then Mesozoic, that is Cenozoic. In that Mesozoic, Cretaceous, Jurassic, as well as Triassic, then in Paleozoic, Permian, Carboniferous. Then why? Because these particular organisms, these particular animals related to reptilian organisms and all, these particular reptilian organisms, it originated in that period of that particular Carboniferous only, not less than this. Why? Because in the period of Devonian, it is only age of that particular fishes only. So in Carboniferous related to amphibians, from amphibians only it originated to the reptiles and all. That's why here the extinct reptile before Carboniferous, in this one simply there is a 0 million, 50 million, 100, 150 as well as 200 as well as 250 and 300. It represents the million years ago. In that particular age period and all, in that extinct reptile, from the extinct reptile, directly formation of lizards and all. In that extinct one, it forms two types of the organisms. That is, one among these one Sauropsida, another one related to Synopsida and all. In this related to Carboniferous, in this one, in this Sauropsida. Similarly, related to here, Sauropsida as well as Synopsida. In that Sauropsida, directly it forms into the lizards, as well as from this Sauropsida, it origination of reptiles related to in quaternary period. In this particular, from here it originated directly in this specific organism and all. Apart from this one, in this particular Jurassic, in that period, the snakes are originated. They are related to, in the Triassic, it originated Tatarans. Tatarans nothing but there is one type of nocturnal reptile and all. It is actually present during night time. Nocturnal reptile, Tataran and all. Then, like this, so some of these in Sauropsida, it forms and it develops in that Permian period, that is related to Thecodon. From the Thecodon, it originated, that is dinosaur, extinct and all. Especially in Cretaceous period, dinosaurs are extincted, but Jurassic period it is well developed and all. That's why from here it develops birds and all. Dinosaurs are extincted, especially in between the Cretaceous period, it is extincted and all. Then Thecodon, then Synopsida. In this one, Pelicosaurus, which are very close related from origination, related to that specific type of the mammals and all. In that, especially in the Triassic period, in that specific Triassic period, Theropsida. That is important. The dinosaurs as well as mammals, which particular era it is originated, that is the Triassic period. Both dinosaur as well as mammals, at one time it must origin and all. In that Theropsida directly develops into the mammals. Respectful of that particular period of time where it originated, even from extinction, after extinction it must originate. At present also some of the organisms are extincted. Sauropsid, some of these lizards as well as snakes, Tataran, all are, it is living nature only. But dinosaurs are extincted. Thecodont also, it is extincted. In that Synopsida, it is also extinct. It is also extincted. Only rest of these organisms only, it is living nature and all. Remaining all are extincted one. But these are the ancestor of the particular organisms and all. Then that represent related to according to NCERT textbook and all. If you want in more detail, if they give a NEET exam, up to here no problem. If they give at least 1 or 2 bits, other than this some external, that means some extended information and all, those who are interested, if you observe very carefully, this very simple, both the plants as well as animals in one representation and all. That is Cenozoic, related to Cenozoic era. In that Cenozoic era, already you know, Quaternary as well as tertiary periods, that already you know. According to our book, they are given. But if you want in a detailed manner, in that again for easy, convenient, for easy understanding purpose, they divided in this one in Quaternary, that is Holocene, as well as Pleistocene era. Quaternary, Holocene as well as Pleistocene. So what type of organisms which it is present? Yes, similarly, tertiary, that is Pliocene, Miocene, Oligocene, Eocene, Paleocene. these particular subdivisions, subgroups and all, only up to textbook level that one. If you want in detail, why? Because one or two times they ask you. In this one, Holocene. So if you go from here to there, then easily remembering and all. In that Paleocene, so majority of radiation of mammals. Here, majority of radiation of mammals as well as birds, as well as that particular, that pollinating insects and all. Apart from this one, pollinating insects. Then related to Eocene. Eocene means that is origin of horse. Here it is present. Apart from this one, the dominant in the angiosperms and all. Here, dominant in angiosperms. Then Oligocene. Oligocene means origin of modern mammals and all. That is origin of that modern mammals. Then Miocene, that continuation, that radiation of that angiosperms as well as mammals and all. That continuous radiation, that means it migration, it is spreading from one to another area and all. The radiation of angiosperms and mammals. AM, remember, angiosperms as well as mammals and all. Then related to Pliocene, it is the age of mammals. Age of mammals, already we said about related age of mammals and in this particular Pliocene region, here, that is origin of this particular ape-like man, that is origin of apes. Related to angiosperm relating flowering plants. That angiosperm relating flowering plants. That is also present in this particular Pliocene region, angiosperm relating that particular plants, it is present and all. In that Pleistocene, origin of man, origin of human being and all. Then Holocene, that is a present modern, related to, that is modern man as well as mammals, as well as insects, as well as herbaceous plants. Then woody plants are, it is not at all that much dominant and all. Only herbaceous plants are more dominant related to these particular aspects and all. That is related to Cenozoic era and all. That is in that Cenozoic era and all. Then related to Mesozoic era. In that Mesozoic era, already different periods are present. That is related to, that is Cretaceous. Then Jurassic, then Triassic. These particular periods are present and all. In this one, Cretaceous, in this, you come here, in this Triassic period, related to origin of mammals as well as dinosaurs. Here, origin of mammals as well as dinosaurs. That is most important. Many times they ask and all. The origin of mammals as well as dinosaurs related to Triassic period and all. Then Jurassic period, dominance of the dinosaurs, or otherwise we called as just we said age of reptiles and all. Dominance of the dinosaurs. As well as dominant of the gymnosperms also related to plants. Then in this Jurassic period, it is related to tooth-bearing birds also originated. Here, the origin of tooth-bearing birds. From that birds only, it evaluated as this, that complete present day birds and all. That is related to Archaeopteryx and all. Then Cretaceous, that is extinction of dinosaurs. As well as extinction of the tooth-bearing birds also. And tooth-bearing birds. It contains tooth-bearing birds. It is also extincted in that particular Cretaceous period and all. In this, apart from this one, then Paleozoic era. It is present. Paleozoic era. In this Paleozoic era, what are these particular things are present? In this Paleozoic era, there is a Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian. Apart from this one, Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian. These are subdivisions are present under related to Cambrian period. Why? Because evolution process it takes place from higher, whatever older one, from older one to the new one. That's why we represented from here to there and all. Here Cambrian period. Here the origin of invertebrates and all. Origin of invertebrates. Apart from this one, origin of Trilobita. Trilobita, one type of this aquatic insect and it is present three segmented, that particular body parts are present and Trilobita. Origin of Trilobita. Then in Ordovician period, that dominant of invertebrates. Apart from this one, jawless fishes also. That is Astropodermus. It is also and origin of jawless fishes. That means Astropoderma. Astropoderma. Very simple. Here, origin of invertebrates. Then preceding one, dominance of invertebrates. Here, origin of jawless. Then forthcoming one, that is it is origin of jaw-bearing fishes and all. Origin of jaw-bearing fishes related to that specific, that vascular type of plants also it must origin and all. Then Devonian period, dominancy of the particular fishes, especially what type of fishes? Already you know about that cartilaginous as well as bony fishes. Which type of fishes? Here more dominated here bony fishes. dominant of these bony fishes. Then, apart from this one, here only it must be present little bit development of that particular vascular type of plants. That means gymnospermic plants also. Then, in Carboniferous here, apart from this one, origin of amphibians also. Origin of amphibians also comes under here. Whenever origin, they are automatically dominants and all. That's why very simple. Whatever origin on particular period, it is the dominance over that period, except the particular cases and all. Carboniferous, that is dominant of amphibians. Apart from this one, origin of reptiles. And origin of reptiles. Apart from this one, that vascular plants, that is regarding related to origin of vascular plants. Then Permian one, here extinction of Trilobita. Extinction of Trilobita. Whenever extinction this Trilobita, this origination of Cambrian, but extinction in this particular period of time and all. Apart from this one, here origin of mammal-like reptile. Origin of mammal-like reptiles is also present related to that particular well developed into the vascular plants also. Related to apart from this one, whatever it may be present, related to vascular plants also, gradually it develops and reach well developed into the Cenozoic era. That's why it is we called as that particular age of that particular angiosperms and all. In that one among these one, Cenozoic era. Both dicots as well as monocots, both type of the plants. So, with the help of this particular criteria, with the help of this particular information, you understood carefully and identify correct answer whenever they give any type of question among this one. Okay, remaining we discuss next class. Thank you.